Welcome to Newsline Nexus London, Sydney, February 24th, Reuters, ***, German stocks rallied on Monday, and the euro reached a one-month high after Germany's election result indicated that centrist parties are on track to form a coalition. European shares, more broadly, held steady, while Wall Street futures rose following a US sell-off on Friday. Friedrich Merz was set to become Germany's next chancellor after his opposition Conservatives won the national election on Sunday. Merz is expected to form a coalition to govern with the ruling center-left Social Democrats, even though his party finished third behind the far-right Alternative for Germany. In the end, it was a result close to the latest exit polls and should be a very market-friendly outcome, said Peter Schaffrath, global macro strategist at RBC Capital Markets. The euro rose to a one-month high of $1.0528 before dipping slightly to trade 0.1% higher at $1.0469. While Merz seems determined to ease off the so-called debt brake, which limits annual borrowing to 0.35% of GDP, it won't be straightforward because he will need a two-thirds majority in parliament, said Susanna Streeter, head of money and markets at Hargreaves Lansdown. Germany's DAX stock index rose by 0.57%. The pan-European Stoxx 600 index traded flat, with tech stocks slipping. German coalition talks are set to begin as EU leaders prepare to hold an extraordinary summit on March 6 to discuss additional support for Ukraine and how to finance European defense needs. This week marks 3 years since Russia launched its full-scale invasion of Ukraine. S&P 500 futures climbed 0.47%, while Nasdaq futures gained 0.39%. The Nasdaq fell 2.5% last week, its worst week in 3 months, with losses primarily driven by the Magnificent Seven tech firms. Wall Street took a hit on Friday after a survey on services showed a decline in activity, amid concerns about tariffs and cost pressures. The pullback has raised the stakes for NVIDIA's NVDA results on Wednesday, with investors looking for continued rapid growth in revenue. The Federal Reserve's preferred measure of core inflation is due on Friday and is expected to show a slowdown to 2.6% from 2.8%. However, any potential impact could be clouded by the focus on tariffs, which could be inflationary. A survey of US consumers released on Friday showed inflation expectations for the next 5 years climbed to 3.5%, the highest since 1995. There are many irons in the fire, and markets don't have the luxury of looking much beyond daily developments, said Francesco Pessoa, currency strategist at ING. The dollar index, which tracks the currency against 6 peers, was slightly higher at 106.64. The US dollar rose 0.32% against the yen to 149.77, after sliding last week on the back of rising expectations of further rate hikes from the Bank of Japan. In commodity markets, gold remained well supported at $2,947 an ounce, having climbed for 8 weeks in a row. Oil, however, has been heading in the opposite direction, partly due to speculation that a potential peace deal on Ukraine could lead to an easing of sanctions on Russia, boosting its fuel exports. Brent crude was flat at $74.45 a barrel, continuing to trade around its lowest level since late December.